Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to customize Windows 11 taskbar. If you're tired of this default taskbar and you want some innovation, then I'll show you how it can be done. First, if you want to add any icon in the taskbar, you have to do a right click onto it and then you have to go to more option. You will see this option pin to taskbar and you will find its icon in taskbar. But if you already have so many, you want to unpin it, do a right click from the taskbar and click on unpin from taskbar and they will get removed from taskbar. Now do a right click onto it and then you will see the taskbar settings. Go there and this settings will open. Then you can go to this option, which is the first one, task view. If you don't want it, you can disable it and the task view will be disabled. Then you can go and select which icons you don't want into that toggle option. When you click onto it, these icons will up. You can select which one you want there, which one you don't want. Whatever you want, turn them on. Whatever you don't want, you can just simply turn them off and you would not be able to see up there. If you want further customization, in that case you have to go to taskbar behavior and you will see these checkboxes. If you disable them, their effect will be done on your taskbar, like the icons will be gone from there. And also, if you don't want the time to be seen there, you want to hide the time, you can also do it. The time and date will also get hide from there. Further, if you want more settings, then you can go there and check out different options. If you want the icons to be small or bigger, then you can also set their size as per your choice. And if you don't want the search bar, you can also disable it. Like, there's so many different options. You can customize anything as per your choice. Whatever you like in the taskbar, you can keep it, otherwise you can just simply remove it. You can also go to the colors to change the color for your taskbar as well. Once you go to these color options, you can simply enable the color there, and after that, whatever color you select, you will get that color in your taskbar. So that's how you will be able to customize the taskbar as per your preferences. There will be small changings. If you do, you will get the big impact on your taskbar. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.